Hi guys, it's me, Chris Cook with Rovithis Realty, your real estate resource. Welcome to my latest listing here at 38 Buschmann Ave in Westfield. This ranch features 3 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms being on the first floor, the 3rd bedroom in a beautifully finished basement. Come take a look. So tell me, what was your favorite part of this tour? Was it the side yard with the woods and the private area? Or was it the wide open kitchen, dining, living room? Either way, give me a call and let me know what you think. If you have any questions on this listing or any other listing, please feel free to contact me at the number below. At Rovithis Realty, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and I want to work with you.